guys, welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalking with Jen. So today is going to be another fun, quick, and easy chalking with you and me. Again, no picture in a picture. Got to get ready for work when I'm done. So welcome. And if you are new to my page, I want to say hello. And as you come in, please make sure you do comment hello. Let me know where you're watching from. And in the bottom left-hand corner of your mobile devices is a share button. The greatest compliment you can give me is a share, so I really appreciate it. So for those of you that are new here, real quick, let me just tell you this is Chalk Couture. Chalk Couture is a new revolutionary DIY home decor crafting and a crafting company that you're not going to find anywhere else. We offer a line of silkscreen reusable transfers, which I will be using today. We have a line of Chalkology chalk paste that you won't find anywhere else. Welcome. Hey, is it Renelle? Welcome and thanks for watching. We also have a line of Couture inks, which I have done videos for those over the past week, so please make sure you check out that great new t-shirt. Oh, awesome, Arizona. I love it. What time is it there? Are you 2 or 3 hours behind? And then we do have a line of surfaces that you can use our products on. We have chalkboards, we have box wood frames, we have canvases and totes. Good morning, Melissa. How are you? And then the best thing we offer is a ground floor opportunity for just $99. This is a home business and you can run it in many different ways. So I'm going to show you how I run mine on social media. But what's really cool is you can do sip and chalks or make and takes local in your area, which is really fun if you've ever gone to one of those paint parties. Same concept, you're just using our products and chalking. And you can also just create beautiful designs, sell them at local boutiques and vendor shows. Oh my gosh, 6:30. Well, good morning to you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. So if you want more info on the business opportunity, please just comment info or me below, and I would love to get you that information. And then we do have a really great opportunity group that I would love to share with you as well. So let's get started for what you're here to watch. So I'm going to be making 2 signs today. This is going to be our Good Morning Gorgeous transfer that I'm going to be using. And I thought this would be really cute in a bedroom, like behind your bed frame, or you could definitely put this in your master bathroom. Maybe you know somebody who's getting married, a great bridal shower gift or newlywed gift. I just thought this would be really cute, and truthfully, you guys, super easy. Mary Beth, I will definitely get you information as soon as we get off the live today. So this is what the transfer looks like when you get it. The really nice thing that Chalk Couture does for you is if you would purchase right on my website, which is chalkingwithjen.com, by the way, the information on the back on how to use our transfers is right there. It tells you how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. Because what's really nice, Renelle, I'll be sure to get you some information as well. Thanks for asking. What's really nice is as long as you care for these transfers, you usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. So again, just think of all the gifts you could have for the upcoming holiday season, or like I said, if you're a crafter or a craft blogger, this is definitely great for you as well because you can create things over and over again. You can sell them on Etsy. You can sell them on your blog. So I am going to actually be using 2 different boards that we offer. These are our Aiden chalkboards. It has a white frame and then it has a black frame. Now these frames are our more higher end frame that we do offer. We have some kind of basic ones with a beautiful frame as well, but these chalkboards here are a porcelain steel magnetic chalkboard, so they're definitely a little higher grade, but these are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to do the black one obviously for the Hello Handsome, and then I'm going to use the white one for the Hello Gorgeous. All right. So I am going to be using our white Chalkology chalk paste. So I'm just going to open that up. Now our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. And you guys, as I go along, if you have any questions about the products I'm using or what I'm doing, please ask and I will answer them if I see it, or if I see it after we do our presentation, then I will answer them after it. Now the one thing I do want to tell you, like I said, this is water soluble and semi-permanent. So if you've seen any of my videos in the past, what that means, it goes on as a liquid, dries as a solid. But what's really cool is if you ever want to change out your designs, and like I said, make sure you check out some of my videos, you can absolutely change them out. All you do is you soak your board with a little bit of water, use your Clorox wipe, and you can totally remove your design, okay? Now, if you want to make them permanent, this is what I use. This is a Krylon sealer. Mine is satin crystal clear. So when I'm done, I would let my board dry. I would spray this all over the board, and I'll let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then my design is permanent. So entirely up to you what you want to do. All right. So let's get started. So the one thing you want to make sure you do is write on the back of all of your transfers, because again, they're reusable, and once you're done, you want to make sure you put them back on the backing. Look, I almost forgot how to spell handsome. Craziness in the morning. So I'm going to remove my transfer from my carrier sheet, and like I tell everybody, I always like to put my transfer side down and then peel it from the backing. It just goes a lot easier. And the one tip I'll give you is you never want the sticky sides to get together. This is silk screen. So what can happen when that does that is if you try to peel it apart is sometimes you can stretch the transfer. Sometimes you get lucky and it's perfectly fine, but you just have to be careful about it. All right, so I'm going to place this down on my board. I think I look good. Smooth this out so that there are no air bubbles in this silk screen area. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and do this one as well. So I'm just going to put this right there. I'm going to try to line it up there with the other H. Again, just smoothing that out. And you don't have to do them at the same time. You can do it differently. And my chalk paste, like I said, just a basic white. It needs to be like a sour yogurt cream consistency, and it looks pretty good. If for some reason it wasn't, I would just add a little bit of water, but I don't need to for this design. And then it would be perfectly fine. You would stir it up and you're good to go. So I'm going to get a squeegee, and we do offer all the squeegees. We have several different size squeegees on our on my website. And then you're just going to pull your paste across that silk screen area. And like I tell everybody, you want to be like, I don't know if you can hear that. You want to scrape it because you want it to get through that silk screen. You don't want to go easy or gentle. You don't want to act like you're painting. And I did get a little on my board, but that's okay. I'll be able to show you how you clean that off. So just scraping that across. Okay, scraping across, and then I will get my transfer and I'll pull it right off of there, you guys. It is that easy. Anybody can absolutely do this, you guys. Anyone, whether you're crafty or not, anybody can do this and make those beautiful signs. Ta-da! What do you think? And look how nice that looks. And you can see I got a little bit right there on my board. Absolutely, Renelle. I will do that as soon as I get off here. I just want to clean this off for you guys to see. So you see how I messed up there? Not a problem. Just going to take a Q-tip. I sprayed it with a little bit of water. And that totally comes right off. And that is the beauty of our chalk paste, is that you can absolutely recreate designs over and over again. And you know what? If you happen to mess up the first time, again, you just clean that off. You would clean up your transfer, and you can totally do the design once more. So I'm going to put this aside, and we'll go on to our next one. So this is our Hello Gorgeous. And that one I already used. So again, I'm just going to peel my transfer. Now it is just, while I'm on here with you guys, and you're wanting information, I will tell you it is $99 to join. Our starter kit, you're going to get over $240 worth of product. And I will get you that information as soon as we get off of here. And our company just launched in July of 2017. And we have less than 10,000 designers across the US. So super, super awesome. All right. So again, as you're coming in, please make sure you say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. I always like to welcome our new followers. We have a ton over the last few days. Okay, I think I'm going to hold off on putting this one down yet. No, I'm good. No, I want to put it down a little further. So let's go ahead and do Gorgeous. So just getting my chalk paste, scraping it across that silkscreen area. Something's beeping upstairs. I don't know what that is. I don't know if you guys heard that. Honey, what's beeping? I don't know. I don't know, you guys. Something's up there beeping. Scraping off any excess. Putting it back in my jar. And just so you know, we have 29 different colors of chalk paste. So what's really great about that is it's going to go with any type of decor that's out there. Oh my gosh, that looks awesome. That looks so, so good. And like I said, I'm just putting these in a tub of water right off to the side. That looks so good. Oh, I love it. I'm going to put this like right there. Do I look even? Yeah, I look even. Okay. I'm just smoothing out that silkscreen area. Getting my chalk paste. And I'm really excited. If you are local to me here in New Jersey, I am going to be meeting with someone on Monday to set up a place where we can do local sip and chalks on a monthly basis. So hopefully that'll help some of you guys. But I do come into your home if you're interested in getting a few girlfriends together. I do like to come and I will come to your home. I'll bring everything you guys need to create a beautiful design in an evening or a weekend. Just let me know. Good morning, Jackie. How are you? So there you go, guys. It was that simple and easy to create these signs. Like I said, this one says hello gorgeous. And this one says hello handsome, where this would be a really great gift or look great in your bathroom or right behind your bed. So if you have any other questions, please let me know. I am going to go get ready for work now. But please stay tuned because I will be chalking for you live all weekend right here on my page. Again, if you absolutely love what you see, the greatest compliment you can give me is a share in the bottom left-hand corner of your mobile devices. Aw, come on back to the East Coast. Yeah, it's been a little rainy this year, though. Really, really rainy. Now, I will make sure I get you that information as soon as we get off here, and same with you, Mary Beth. So, any questions, you guys, please let me know. I hope you have a wonderful day, and happy chalking. I'll see you soon.